I bought a bag of the Yucca chunks and I've just added them to a wire, stainless steel wire. Oh, she's just found one. And I've hidden a couple of, stop swinging, sunflower seeds through. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's yours. Okay. She's been having fun trying to get them out. I wanted to make it as difficult as possible so she would have to rip through the wood to get to them. She's really good at just picking them out. I mean, the outside of the yucca is quite hard. I don't know if she can actually chew through the outside bark. Oh, you're doing such a good job. Can you see? Yeah, that one's in there real good, huh? Good job, buddy. Oh. I like how toys swing all the time. They're always swinging and it really bothers her. She wants them to be still. Yeah, hold it with your foot. Oh, crunch, crunch. Poor thing. And it looks annoying and frustrating, but I guess that's all part of foraging, right? This is the way it is, isn't it? It's good for you, right? Your mind, your beak, your brain, your muscles. Oh. Someone broke something outside, huh? Alright, you keep working on that. Okay, so she's just, I don't know what she's doing now. I mean, she's just ripping up the wood. Maybe she's found the instinct. Maybe she's enjoying just playing with the wood, right? I mean, I don't think there's even any seeds left in there. She's made a little mess here. So you're just enjoying that? Oh, wow. It looks like you did rip up the side where I thought it was too tough, the bark. Are you enjoying that? Or is there a seed trapped in there that you can't get to? Either way, it's working. A fruit salad. I guess she's more interested in playing with the bowl. But she's trying a little bit here and there. I'm gonna try the fruit, mate. Banana. Banana. Try the other fruits. There's watermelon and raspberries. I've never tried them before and it's scary, isn't it? But you know what? Ryder loves the raspberries. Ryder likes anything red. Hey? You're silly. Ooh, there you go. Mmm. Tasting, tasting. You like forks as well, I know, I know. Hey, I'm gonna need that. It's not meant to be in there. Oh my goodness. At least you're tasting the juices, right? Yeah. Good. Oh my goodness. Good, huh? You want to try it? You can eat it. You want to try some? And the flowers in the middle. It's good. Yum yum. Right back. No. Oh, so good. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's so good. Mmm. Not bad. Not bad, huh? Mm. No? Mmm. I like it. Look at the ends. Silly. Oh, Sookie. Oh, Sookie. Mm. Nice. Mm-hmm. Yes, I'm still eating it. Mm. I'm pretending now. Mm. Mm. You're pretending. You're just pretending. That's good effort. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh. Okay. Okay, we've had enough, hey? Okay. Yeah.